I think there isn't any need for the passcode, I believe. Let me check what was that. Okay, let's get started. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Well, let's get started with the introduction first. My name is Irfan Haider Baloch. I'm an English language instructor. I've been teaching English for more than 15 years. And I recently resigned from the head of department as a head of department of Darakam Schools, English language department, Darakam Schools, Pakistan. I'm currently working as a CEO of Federal Group of Schools and Colleges, Pakistan. I started teaching online. It's been maybe kind of 1 decade when I started teaching, and my first student was from India. So it was, the kind of elegant experience for me, and I enjoyed a lot. In the pandemic, when there was a COVID-19, awesome. There was a different experience. Everyone was coming online. They were getting online classes. The people who haven't any idea what the class and what online mean is, the virtual classes. So they were so expert after the pandemic. So this is what we learned from the pandemic. So pandemic gave us this idea like how to go with the online or virtual classes. Indeed, there is a university, virtual university, which is dealing with the online classes, but the pandemic, the COVID, it gave idea to everyone how to go online, right? So today we are going to discuss IELTS, which is an international English language testing system, and the people who are trying to get the studies and they want to improve their studies, that and experiences, all of things together. They want to go abroad, and there is a testing system. All the universities in different countries, they need the certification that they can get an idea that you people are having this kind of a command in English, that you may get enrolled in our programs. And the different universities have different the testing systems. For example, like UKVI, and not only the IELTS, even there are some other courses or the certificates like the PTE. Should I speak a bit louder? Okay, so I was speaking louder, but maybe the voice is not clear to you. I'm gonna adjust it here. I hope this would be, oops, it's not. Okay, so there's a PTE and lots of others. So today we were not gonna discuss the other courses. The IELTS is you may say this the major one. If you have done IELTS, so if they are demanding PTE or any other kind of certification, it's fine for them. They may take you in. Okay, so today, as it's introductory class, and in the introductory session, it must be like, it's kind of a good idea to interact with each other. If you people will speak a bit, you will be able to gain some confidence. So we will start as I have introduced myself one by one. You're going to introduce yourself, and don't be shy. If you really want to learn English, then this is my, the statement, the quotation, that if you want to speak correct English, then you have to start speaking incorrect English, like the wrong English. If you start speaking wrong English, only then you will be able to speak perfect English. Otherwise, you're zero. I hope you get an idea. So whatever comes in your mind, you have to start with the introduction. But before that, I'm going to let you know that what introduction means, what kind of things you can include in your introduction, right? Okay, let me take the people in. Well, introduction, for example, you may go with your name, and before that, you may say hello, everyone, or assalamu alaikum, what comes in your mouth. Okay, and then about yourself, you may go with your age, your qualifications, your future plans, your hobbies, your favorite color, everything about you, your siblings. Sibling means your brothers, sisters, whatever you have. And you want to talk about your father, like how he was walking, like retired, whatever he is, what he was, and the siblings, what they are doing. As much as you, the basic rule of the IELTS speaking is, if the trainer, not a trainer, if the person who's going to take your interview, whenever you're going to appear in any kind of interview, if he is asking, if just ask one question and you're not going to speak it out. When you will speak, if you stop speaking before he going to ask the next question, that's a negative point. You should speak it. You should speak, like you should continue talking, right? So let's get students are getting in the class, so I'm gonna meet them all. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna one by one unmute your microphone and you have to introduce yourself, right? Don't be shy. Whatever comes in your mouth, maybe it's wrong. As I told you before, that if you really want to speak perfect English, then you have to start speaking in wrong English, imperfect English, right? So the first name is on my screen, Ali Akbar. Okay, I'm going to ask you to unmute your microphone and introduce yourself so people get an idea about yourself.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Akbar. I am 15 years old. I have two brothers. I'm older brother.
Okay, and where are you from? You forget to tell us.
I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. Shafis Al Fadul.
Okay, got it. Okay, so next time whenever you come for the introduction, you speak a lot. You have to prepare for the next session, introduction, a long introduction. Well, thank you very much for coming all the way from Karachi. Thank you very much, Ali Akbar. So mute your microphone. Let's proceed with the Bakir now. Bakir, please unmute your microphone.
Hello. My name is Wakil. I am from Karachi. I have joined the meeting 2 minutes ago, but you asked me to introduce myself. So, as 2 months ago, and I'm preparing to start MS studies abroad. So that's why I have joined this meeting.
Okay, that's good. In the start, your voice was breaking. May I know where are you from? I heard it's Parachanar, you said, or what was that?
Yes, I'm from Karachi.
Okay, thank you very much for coming all the way from Parachanar. Mute your microphone. So I'm going to ask Faika. Please unmute your microphone and go ahead.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Alex Salam.
I'm Sayyida Faika Batul from Karachi, Pakistan, a first year MBBS student at Karachi Medical and Dental College. I am currently working as a level 2 marketing executive at Medate, Pakistan, which is a non-profit organization. Similarly, I'm also working as designer and permanent volunteer at Room 41 at Abbasi Shaheed Hospital. And Hopes organization. Apart from that, I am also in finance department in KMDC Child Education Society, which is working for child's education, and a lot more. We'll discuss another day.
Yeah, of course. Thank you very much for joining us today, and very best of luck for your future. Okay, the future doctor, we may say. Okay, so that was like kind of precise introduction, right? All you need is to just concentrate in kind of the vocabulary word. We will inshallah tackle out these kind of obstacles later on. So thank you very much for coming today. Okay, who's next? Galaxy A12. I'm afraid you don't have any idea what's your name, but okay. Galaxy A12. I have just asked you to unmute your microphones. Go ahead, introduce yourself if you want to. I hope next time, whenever you